the ultimate Facebook marketing training for 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get paid on Facebook for free without spending any money organically. Now, normally Facebook has came with an algorithm recently, I should say, that doesn't allow people to advertise their businesses on Facebook because they want you to pay. Okay, they want you to pay for these marketing. However, I've created a way to hack into their algorithm and be able to market my business on Facebook. Now, not only have I created this way, but I've also created a system to simplify, to allow a virtual assistant from a third world country to do this for me. Okay, and right now you can get this right at the link below in my course, where I'm having a sell on, where you can get it just for pennies on the dollar. So I'm going to share with you some of the algorithm hacks that I'm going to share with you, so you can see that my course works. So instead of like posting every 5 minutes about your business and putting links in there, that stuff doesn't work anymore. The way I've created is an organic way for you to be able to build relationships with real people through Facebook organically. One example is that to get the algorithm of Facebook to interact with you, to show your post to everyone else, they have to be in constant communication with you on Facebook. And I've shown you many different techniques where you can be in constant communication with all these potential buyers that are on your list on Facebook, your followers. For example, if you have 5,000 followers on your own personal Facebook, when you post, not all 5,000 are going to see it. Maybe just 10 of them are going to see it. I'm going to show you right now one thing you can do for all those 5,000 people to see it, or as much as possible. The very first thing you need to do is every day Facebook will give you a list of birthdays of all these people. Some of them you may know, some of them you may not know, but they're part of your friends. So what I would do is I would every day, I actually would have a VA do that. If you're interested about VAs, go to myrealestatedojo.com, download my VA course. Well, the revolution will change your life. Okay, but coming back to the Facebook marketing, every day I would have my VA go to everyone's birthday and post on their happy birthday on their Facebook timeline. Plus, they would upload a firework image of some fire rockets shooting up. Okay, and what that does for the algorithm, it lets the algorithm know that you're really in communication with these people. So even if you don't know these friends, it's their birthday, by you posting there, okay, now allows the algorithm to let the algorithm show your posting, your future posting, to these people. And if that person likes that comment you made or responds back to your comment, now that even encourages the algorithm to even show your post even more. So if you every day, if you wake up for the next 30 days and every day you wish people a happy birthday, because the notification comes up to everyone that's on your Facebook friends. If you have 5,000, you have 3,300, doesn't matter. Everyone. The next time you post, the probability of your ad showing up on their homepage timeline increases dramatically. Okay, dramatically. This is one little simple hack that you can use to market your business without paying Facebook. Okay, now there's a lot of other stuff that I have, but I have a course right now below. You can download it. I go into it. It's very, very simple, but it works. It works so good that people will come back and use your services because of these little things that you're doing. None of this stuff that I'm doing is in this course is about me marketing. It's none is about messaging them with your promo or trying to get them to buy. No. These are what I call love tactics. You're showing people you love and you care for them. In return, people will become curious and say, well, who's this guy or who's this gal? And then they'll look at your profile and then go to your website or whatever you have to do business with, and then start doing business with you because you showed them love. Because in the world of me, everyone's posting a picture of themselves, right? When you actually pay attention to people, no one's paying attention to people, you get a lot of money from that. Okay, and I show you exactly how to do it through Facebook, so you can hack into the algorithm ethically, right? So they show your post, and whenever you're posting, I show you exactly how to post so you don't get spammed out by the algorithm. Because if you're posting your website URL, you're posting a bunch of promo ad stuff, then you're not going to come up on other people's timeline because of Facebook algorithm. So right now you can download my Facebook training course below. Okay, for just pennies on a dollar. It's on a sale right now. Thanks for watching. Click the like button. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.